Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should press the volume button, one from these volume buttons, up or down, that doesn't matter. And after that you'll see here the bell icon. Just tap twice on the bell icon and now we can see that the calls and notifications will be muted. So this means that the silent mode is activated on our smartphone. If you want to turn it off, just by the same way, press up or down volume button and just tap once on the bell icon, and now all calls and notifications, they will ring. So this means that we just successfully turn it off. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that somewhere here you should find this sound or ring icon, and just to activate the silent mode we should tap only once on this icon, and now we can see that our device is muted. And to turn it off we should click here twice again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.